Benefits of carrots for babies. What are the benefits of carrots for babies? This video shall cover the health benefits of carrots, including the nutritional value and best carrot recipes for babies. Carrots are naturally sweet and mellow, just right for baby's simple palate. What's more, they're packed with essential nutrients and are easy to use as a baby food ingredient. Carrots are an excellent source of beta-carotene, which turns into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A aids your baby's eyes. Carrots also promote a strong immune system and contain phytochemicals that may protect against heart disease and certain cancers. Additionally, carrots are rich in fiber, which helps your infant have normal bowel movements. They also contain some iron, calcium, and vitamin C. When can babies eat carrots? Carrots can be fed to infants from 6 months. The root vegetable is rich in nitrates, which is why the American Academy of Pediatrics advises against giving carrots to babies younger than 3 months. Commercial baby foods are fine for infants younger than 6 months because they are tested for nitrates. Never give an infant chopped raw carrots, which are a choking hazard. Stick with commercial baby food or smashed and home-cooked carrots. When feeding carrots to a baby, stick to cooked carrots because raw carrots also have a higher chance of triggering allergies. Once the little one is 12 months old, you can give them sliced raw carrots as finger food by chopping the carrots finely to minimize choking risk. Benefits of carrots for infants. 1. Healthy body cells. Carrot contains certain properties that directly affect the cell growth mechanism. This ensures that the growth of cells is not unchecked and uncontrolled. On the other hand, in areas where cell growth needs to be rapid, such as injuries or wounds, carrots help assist in healing those areas. 2. Better liver functioning. In the event of any toxic chemicals entering the body, the primary organ to be affected is the liver. Carrot contains properties that not only support body cells but also help protect the liver from the effects of such harmful chemicals. 3. Strengthens immunity. The most important thing that a baby requires is a strong immune system. Lymphocytes and blood platelets play a key role in keeping the balance of immune system and ensuring its strength. Carrots help improve the numbers of these entities that boost immunity within the child. 4. Better circulation. A circulatory system not only transports oxygen through the heart and blood vessels but also helps flush out the toxins from the body, thanks to the kidneys. Carrots contain flavonoids, which are micronutrients. These directly improve the health of the heart and kidney, making them function better. 5. Improved eyesight. Vitamin A and beta-carotene are the two essential elements responsible for developing good eyesight. These affect the growth of the retina and help maintain it in proper condition. Carrot contains both these elements in good amounts, helping maintain a clear and sharp vision. Best ways to cook carrots for kids. Most kids love carrots because they are tasty and slightly sweet. But like other veggies, carrots can get boring, especially if you give it to your child every day. Here are a few ideas on how to cook carrots, while retaining their nutrients, to make them appealing to children. Option 1. Boiling is one way to cook a carrot. Use only a cup of water to boil 100 grams of carrots on low flame. That way, the water will evaporate, leaving the nutrients intact. Otherwise, the chances are that a good portion of the nutrients is drained with the water. Boil carrots only if you are going to use the water in the dish. Option 2. Steaming is a better option than boiling, as it hardly needs any water for cooking the carrots. Steamed carrots can be seasoned with cheese and served as a snack for children. Saute carrots in a pan if your children like it crispy. You can use half a teaspoon of cooking oil to cook the carrots this way. Add salt and garnish with a little parsley after you cook them. Sautéed carrots are an excellent option for dinner. Option 3. Baked carrots are as healthy as steamed carrots, except they are not soft and mushy. Baking is a healthier alternative to frying carrots, as there is little use of cooking oil or fats. Another way to make carrots tasty and interesting is to flavor them. Boil or steam cook carrots first, then sauté them in butter, with sugar and orange juice sauce in a pan. Carrot juice is an excellent option for toddlers and young children who prefer liquids to solids. You can also make smoothies with carrot, milk, apple, and honey. The nutritional benefits that carrots provide to a baby are unbelievably, and it makes complete sense to make it a part of the baby's diet as soon as possible.